Let's see what Riley sent. Whoa. Oh, this is cool. Oh, ZA1, man. Zach, I'm 10 years old. I do not have a bike, but I want one. Right now, I ride BMX. Please put this in the ride talk. You're a great person. Sincerely, Riley. Riley, this is super cool. I'm hanging this up. Thank you so much. I'm sorry it took so long to get this into the ride talk. I just haven't been able to open it. I'm gonna put a wall up and I'm gonna hang up all these pictures and letters I get from you guys. Super cool. Thank you, Riley. All right, I'm taking my dad's snowmobile because I don't know if this one's ready. So I don't know, hopefully he doesn't mind. It's an E-Tech, 2-stroke direct inject. Yeah. Warming up. While we're sitting here letting this thing warm up, why don't we do a question? In the news, where have the ride talks been? Look at it outside. There's so much snow, I can't just go out on the dirt bike anymore. There hasn't been enough snow to go snowmobiling. It kind of sucks. And also it gets dark at like 5 o'clock. I get home from work and it's already dark out. You may know that I'm posting the Winter South Trip 2018. We got a lot of videos coming still. Hope you guys are enjoying that. They're going to be continuing. Also, just a reminder, use the hashtag RideTalk to get featured in the Ride Talk. That way I can sort them out easier and find the comments easier. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's raining bad out. Zack Attack. Should have worn some goggles. Woo! Baby! I haven't snowmobiled in a year. Jonathan Sutton and Off-Road both kind of have the same comment or question. Do you do anything besides YouTube, or am I still in college? Do I have a job? Well, I do have a job. Oh God, I don't want to go in that. What I do is, so I'm an engineer at a investment casting company. Now, you might not know what that is, but what we do is we cast metal. Metal parts for the aerospace industry. Go, baby, go! Oh, deer. There's a deer up there. Or is it an alien? What we make are aircraft parts and turbine parts. Whoa! Woo! A lot of snow out here. Oh! CRJ Moto, fast, slow highway driver. Why? Cruise control, people, haha. Vid didn't show on my sub list, by the way. Alright, so I want to, this is something we need to address. On the YouTube homepage, you go to youtube.com, there's a thing on the top. It says home trending subscriptions. So your home there is going to show you suggested videos that are recommended to you and some of your subscriptions. It's not going to show you all of them. And so the subscription tab up there, that's going to strictly show videos that you are subscribed to. So what I do is I have my subscriptions tabbed. I have that clicked. I have that bookmarked. I bookmark that, so I'm only getting my subscriptions. Because there's times in the home tab you won't see uploads. Another thing, if you never want to miss a Zack Attack 1 video, is press that bell button next to subscribe. Then you'll be notified all the time. I really don't like that. When I hear that people aren't seeing my videos, that sucks. I put a lot of time into them, and then what? YouTube doesn't give it to you? That's annoying. This is probably not a good idea because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get up that hill. All right, well, before we get stuck, let's do the next one here. Bruce Fairbanks. The only way your luck is gonna change is when Tom gets new riding gear. Why is it he always has poop problems? Bring a roll of toilet paper and go out in the woods. 2 scoops and a polish and he'll be good. He's always smashing the boys. At that rate, he won't have children. Yeah, Tom has a tendency of smashing the boys. Or the girls. I don't know what he's got. But, you know, I'm wondering if he's doing it on purpose. Maybe he's got some crazy... Oh, shoot. Should I go up the hill? Graham Vandermark asks, have you managed to test out your trials bike yet? No, because it's like this. I don't know if a trials bike's going to handle out here too well. A lot of people have asked me that, and I just haven't been able to. So, well, I'm excited though. I can't wait. I cannot wait to do it. We're just going to go for it. The paper is melting. We got to go quick. RC Codes. Is that Yukon two-wheel drive the boot? I really don't think it is, but at one point his back wheels were spinning and the fronties were going backwards. Well, anyway, you should have tried keeping the truck and trailer on the driveway instead of trying to make fresh tracks. You want to plow some trail, get your snowmobile, or go to a frat party. Yeah, well, we know what Tom does on the weekends. This is a wet day. Gary Luke. I'm sorry, I cannot handle watching sad, pathetic bike riding at any cost. Well, you know what, Gary? I'm sorry, I can't handle keyboard warriors. Go And on that note, we're gonna end it. Thank you for watching today's Ride Talk.